Really? Well, then if that's the case, then that's a whole nother issue because then that your mind would probably never really be in it. Then if that's the case, so then I don't know what to say for that because, like you at this point, you've already been in school for some like a whole semester now. You're ready to go into your sophomore year at this point, and you can't, you've gone this far and to come to that assumption. I don't know. You know, you gotta, cause that's a whole nother, like literally a whole nother issue. Like if you don't think you want to be there, cause I mean I get it, but you knew when you didn't go to the HBCU that you had to change your route. Like you had to change the way you moved and did things. So now going forward, if you knew that, then all you can do like is just like work with what you got. You can't. Because you can't go back and change it now unless you just don't go to that school anymore and try to transfer or see if you can transfer to a HBCU. And then again, you've seen the whole process of that. It's none, you got to go out of state. Everything comes into play. And then right now you don't have a car. So, you know, I wouldn't see that right there is way too much for you to handle, like to get on your mind. I would kind of try to just dissect that right away from my brain and say, yeah, I can't go to a HBCU right now. It is what it is. I look at videos, watch the videos, and be like, yeah, and be, accepted and or whatever, and chill with that. But like right now, it's just not something that I don't think like is gonna work for you at this moment. You're moving, choosing the route. But I mean, if it's something that you can do and try, possibly, then look it up, see if it's something you can do. I mean, go to if there's one close in Washington, Pennsylvania, and you can get in and still get your 3 years left in, and you feel like you can go ahead and move to wherever, Philadelphia or wherever, until you get your last couple of years, and then if that suffices you, then do it. If that's gonna make you feel better per se. Yeah. Yeah, but honestly, that's just like Angel said about freaking high school. That's a little social thing. You can, I mean, that ain't high. It literally is college. So you're not even in high school. You can high school. It's a little bit probably more intense because you do have like it's more so much. You gotta go through 4 years with these people, and it's more you getting to know yourself, growing into who you are. But once you get out of high school and you've already grasped that concept, going in college that people can be annoying. You won't get along with some people. You learned that in high school. So then what do? Okay, you go into your whether you chair. If you want to chair, then you chair. If you feel like the environment is not going to be accepting that you want to chair, and it's not going to be something you want to do, or you don't feel you feel like it's changed, then make a decision not to do it anymore. But like if you little petty stuff like little because that's all it is, like still people in little cliques, and yeah, like it's like yeah, exactly, that's what I'm telling you. So just go, never mind that. That's little kid stuff. They I don't even know why they're doing it, because they're not in high school no more. They should be like a little bit more older and responsible of knowing like those little games are over. This is freaking college. It's not high school, it's college. Like they're on their own and everything. A lot of them staying in their own dorms and everything else. So little petty stuff like little cliques and all that stuff is like it's annoying, and it's like get past it. Do what y'all came there to do. Get your education, cheer if you came to cheer, and move past it. Never mind that. It's just like a job. You might go to work and you don't get along with John or Janet or Felicia. Y'all might don't get along, but is Felicia, John, or Janet going to stop you from getting your check? No, probably not. You're going to still go to work and do you. So just do it. Treat that thing the same way. Oh, well, yeah, I don't get along with her. Me and her don't get along, but I still got to do this stunt. We still got to do this thing. Move on, because I'm pretty sure they're not going to change what they came to do as far as cheering and stuff because of little dumb BS. I would hope not. That's all you can do, and pray about it. Pray first. That kind of uplifts you and makes you feel better. Because some things you just can't change. It can change how your body and your mind feel, but you can't change the trajectory. It's going to go the way it goes, regardless how much you put into it, how much you bend over backwards. If it's going to be that way, it's going to be that way. You can't do nothing. All right. Get my little bit of little bit of chill time in, a relaxation. Just like I said, I'm telling you, relax, breathe and relax. Even do breathing exercises. At least get your thing started again, because you gotta. That's something you gotta do, and it's not good for you not to get one. So you gotta like start doing some breathing exercises and relax your mind. I'm telling you, just go back, get off the phone, and be like, yeah, I can't change a lot of stuff. Let me just relax, close your eyes for a few minutes, and literally just meditate in your mind. Like, I can't change it. I can't change it. I cannot do nothing about it. But I still got to do me. I got to still get up and go to college. I got to still get up and get this education. I still want to cheer. So, all these other things I can do later. It's not going to, like those things that is worrying you so much, you got to say in your mind, are those things literally, are they life or death where I can't, like, is it going to stop me from doing what I got to do? Probably not. Like a car, yeah, you live in the city right now, so you can get on public transportation. Even we have such things as Ubers and Lyft. If we have to all get together and just pay for you to get Ubers and Lyft back and forth until that would be the case, whatever. Like those are little things compared to so many more serious things that can be, you know, in you worrying about, and then your mind will be like, yeah, that's not, and then you say, okay, so now move on, because it's not serious enough for you to stop doing what you got to do. It's not serious enough for you to go into a funk or in a shell, shut down mentally. It's not serious enough. Those are little things. Those are cosmetic things. You can brush them off or on. You can make them, fix them, put a little makeup on them, change them. Those are little things. Literally, they can be changed. You can change them. If time takes to be changed, then okay, it takes a little time. Look at us. We gotta wait a couple of days and stuff for stuff. Okay, but it is what it is. Sometimes you might have to make little sacrifices or do what you got to do. Oh well, in a couple of days things will be back to where it's supposed to be, and then that's that. Sometimes you just can't do nothing about it, and stressing is the only thing you can't do, and that's the one thing that you can do that's only gonna harm you, not help you. It's gonna harm you. Love you, see you later. Just have a nice day and say your prayers and enjoy your day. No, I'm just telling you, have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Call me back though, because I go back tomorrow's my last day off. I go back Friday and Saturday. I'm not sure about the weekend, about Sunday. Is she coming out? Yeah, she's coming out. She said, "Are you?" Tonight or tomorrow? Okay. All right. I'll see what we doing. All right. Love you, too.